think the most rewarding part about my project this year has been seeing my ideas come to life and developing those ideas into things that I would never have thought of. For me, consumerism has always been a really interesting topic to explore. The amount of over-consumerism and over-consumption that happens, I feel like has been an overriding theme in all of my work while I've been here at the Dunedin School of Art. My work this year consists of miniature-scale dioramas based on top of non-biodegradable plastic products titled Garbage Generation. The work aims to kind of flip our relationship with rubbish and the value in which we place on it, and the fact that we have this kind of one-use mentality to these materials. The process for my work kind of comes around the plastic container, and then next I'll then go in and use a type of plaster called sculptor mould and mould the scenes, building them up with a variety of materials, usually recycled wood and cardboard and plastic. And then once kind of the scene is planned out and all the objects are in the space, then it becomes about painting. That's probably, I would say, a good half of it is painting. It combines all of my interests, things that I've seen mixed with my drawings of kind of my ideas mixed with photos. And so it kind of becomes this connection of all three of those elements to create a scene that is artificial and just exploring those kind of ideas that I had. I really enjoy that part of sculpture. I want the viewer to look at these pieces, the actual vessels themselves, and ponder their own personal contribution to the waste stream. These things shouldn't be forgotten so easily. I guess value is placed onto these objects again when I recycle them and rework them, and reuse them into making them into an art piece. Before I came here, I was just working, in a factory job up in Auckland, and it was boring. And then kind of deciding that I wanted to study, having my dad and my grandmother both come here to study, it felt only natural that I move into that position. And Dunedin's just cool. It has its own community and culture that is very unique to Dunedin, and the Dunedin School of Art embodies that culture quite well. Over time here, I've definitely developed what I do and a refinement of my ability. I feel like the Dunedin School of Art has definitely given me the skills, confidence, and prepared me for life outside of art school as an artist, but also life outside of art school as just a person. They've definitely taught me so many life lessons that it's kind of more than I'm paying for.